welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you what I eat in a day. Obviously this isn't what I eat every single day, but it's kind of around the same thing. Since quarantine happened, I've been cooking a lot more and finding new recipes to try out on Pinterest. And so I wanted to share with you guys what I've been enjoying eating lately. I already had my breakfast. I had an acai bowl. I put in the frozen acai packets, frozen bananas, almond milk, peanut butter, strawberries, and then I blended that up, topped it off with some granola, some more fruits, and that was my breakfast. Now I'm getting ready to make lunch. Before I forget, please like this video if you like this kind of content, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Okay, let's get cooking. Lunch today, I decided to make some pasta, a simple pasta. I just have some penne pasta. I'm gonna put some beef, garlic, onions, cheese, tomato sauce. Keep it pretty simple, and then top it off with some basil and cherry tomatoes. So I'll show you how I cook that.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my
Okay, so right now I'm just sauteing garlic and onion in olive oil, and then I'm gonna add some ground beef. I would say that's like half a pound of ground beef. Cook that. And then I also have my pasta boiling here.
Beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I have to.
Okay, so I just added tomato sauce and heavy whipping cream to this to kind of make it like a pink sauce instead of just like a marinara, and let it boil so it thickens.
I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks.
Yum. This does look like a lot, but my boyfriend is gonna eat and my dad, and so we'll have some left over.
And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious.
Okay, so it's around 4:30 right now, and instead of having a snack because I'm still full from lunch, I decided to just make myself a matcha iced latte and just enjoy that. I'm sitting outside right now because it's such a nice day out, and I decided to just get my editing done outside and enjoy this weather. I'll probably be sitting here for probably an hour and a half before we have to start cooking dinner, so I'll see you guys then. So it's around 6 p.m. now, and I'm gonna start making dinner. I decided that since I kind of cooked for a while for lunch, I'm gonna make something really quick and easy for dinner. So I'm gonna make some salmon and then cut up some zucchini and yellow squash, and that will be for my dinner. Okay, so for my easy salmon, I'm just gonna add some garlic, some olive oil, some lemon, a little bit of mustard, salt and pepper. Okay, so that's how it looks. I'm just gonna put that all over my salmon. It should look after. Okay, so I thought that I had zucchini, but it turns out that I didn't, so I just ended up cutting up yellow squash. I drizzled it in olive oil, and then I put pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And then I'm just gonna roast that with the salmon. So now we wait about 20 minutes and then we can eat. So that is it for what I eat in a day. I know there wasn't that many recipes, but they were all really filling meals, so I feel like it just kept me full for the whole day. The only thing I didn't show was that I had a few pieces of oranges for a little dessert snack after dinner. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.